Tired of getting ejected by random players? Let's dive into how to add friends in Among Us so you can finally coordinate with your crew and expose those pesky imposters. First things first, boot up Among Us, and from the main menu, select the online option. This is your gateway to playing with others, friends included. Next, look for the account option, give that a click. This is where the magic happens and where you will find your friend code. You will see your very own unique friend code displayed. Share this code with your friends that you want to connect with and play Among Us. Make sure you share this accurate. Now, to add your friend, ask them to go to the same account section instead of looking at their own code. They need to select the Add Friend option and input the code you shared and then click Send. Alternatively, Among Us allows you to link your accounts with other platforms, such as Google or Apple. This can make finding and adding friends even easier if you're already connected on those platforms. Once your friend sends the request, you will see it pop up in your game. Accept it, and boom, you are now friends in Among Us. Now you can easily invite them to your private lobby or join theirs for some strategic, imposter hunting fun. Adding friends makes Among Us way more enjoyable. So get out there and connect.